Hi guys, and welcome to math. Today is Monday, November 9th, and we're going to work on counting on today like we have been, and we're going to do just a quick little practice together. If you are getting your materials out for the day, I am looking for a paper that looks like this, and it says Monday 11/9 up here at the top. That's the date today because it is the 11th month, November. And it says see and say on the front. So if you're getting your workout, this is it. And then there is some fact practice on the back. How is your day? How was your weekend, right? Today is Monday, starting a new week, working on some stuff and building our knowledge on things we worked on a little bit last week. I think it's going to be a great week. What about you? I think it's going to be wonderful. So, can you remember one of the biggest rules about counting on that we talked about last week? Do you remember it at all? You should always start with the biggest number. That way when you're counting on less dots. Does that make sense? So that way you're not counting on so many. Like for example, if you did 1 plus 9, it would be hard to put the number 1 and then clap 9 dots when you could just say 9, 10, and you could only clap 1 time. So we always start with the bigger number. Count on from the bigger number. So let's practice with some dots together. I know I'm in a different spot, but I just felt like mixing it up. I felt like I was kind of tired of being at the front whiteboard, so I would switch it to over here. So I'm going to start off with the number 3, and then we're going to practice on counting 3 more. So I'm going to draw like a little picture here, and it's going to look like kind of like our work. Okay, so I know it might look like a maze. Whoa, look at the polka dots on my page. It's pretty cool what the sun is doing right now. Anyways, try to look at my 3, and then these are our counting on dots. We're practicing counting on 3 today, okay? So because 3 and 3 are the same number, they're both the amount. So either one can go first. 3 or 3 can go first, okay? So we have 3. Now you can clap with me if you want to, or you can just count with me. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3, 4, 5, 6. So when we count up 3, or we do 3 plus 3, that equals 6. So when we're counting on 3, so we have 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. It should look like that. Awesome. Okay, let's try another one with a bigger number this time. Let's try one with like the number 8. Okay, and we're going to count on. Okay, so we have start at 8. And we're going to count our dots. Ready? 8, 9, 10, 11. So what should our answer be in here? Let's count it again. 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 is the number 11. Good. 8, 9, 10, 11. Did I count the box as another one? Nope, I didn't say 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I don't count the box. I only count the dots. If you're clapping with me, it would be something like maybe, possibly, if I was counting, it would be like 8, 9, 10, 11. I would clap 3 times to add 3 more onto it. So if you're clapping with me, that's what it would have sounded like. 8, 9, 10, 11. There we go. I guess it was easier just to pat my knee instead of me trying to hold the paper. It's all good. Okay. So anytime you count on 3, you would clap 3 times. So let's just practice one without writing it down. Let's do 6 plus 3. Okay? So we're going to count on from 6 3 times. So 3 claps. Ready? 6, 7, 8, 9. What's your answer? 9. Do it again. Ready? 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. Your answer is 9. We did 6 plus 3. We did 6 plus 3 claps. Okay? All right. Let's try another one. Ooh, let's start with 9. Let's start with 9 and let's do 3 claps, okay? 9, 10, 11, 12. Good. And this time I'm going to pat my knee and I'm going to count. That way you can see, because sometimes you do have to count how many claps you're doing, because you don't want to just do 5 or 6 claps. You have to do 3. So try not to lose track of them. So let's do 9, 10, 11, 12. So I patted my leg 3 times, but I showed you that I did it 3 times because you got to be careful with that, okay? All right, go ahead and get your See and Say page out. It has a frog on it. Looks like this. And it has the same kind of drawing that I just did with you, but this time we're going to do a couple together, and then you're going to finish it on your own. Okay. Well, this is not working out. You guys would giggle at me because I actually have a basket in front of, I had this basket in front of my window because the sun was coming right in the window and I didn't want to mess up our work, so I thought the basket would help. But instead it made us polka dotted. Well, you know what? That's what you got to try. Okay, so it might be kind of bright, but you can see that it says See and Say and it looks just like this. Alrighty, let's look at this first one right here. Right there. So it has 5, and we're counting up by 3s, remember? So 5, 6, 7, 8. So your 8 goes down there. So fill in your 8. So it should look like that. So we did 5, 6, 7, 8. Always start at that big number with the 5. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8. I really love counting those dots. It's so easy. And it helps you practice do it quickly. All right, the next one right here with the 7. 7, 8, 9, 10. What's your answer? 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. Write down the answer, 10. And every time you do them, I think that you can always get a little bit quicker each time. All right, the next one is 9. Okay, so we have 9, 10, 11, 12. We did that one together. 9, 10, 11, 12. So write the answer, 12. 1, 2 stands for 12. So we did 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, moving down to number 8 here. 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. Write down 11. On the next one, I am just going to say the number and you're going to count for me, okay? Ready? 6. What did you get? 6. Did you get 9? I counted 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 plus 3 equals 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, last one we're going to do together. Okay, we have 5. Maybe. There we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5. Let's try like saying it really big and then saying it quiet. So like 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you get 8? 8 is the answer. All right, go ahead and pause Mrs. Durham until you finish this page. Okay, I'll hold it there if you need to pause it to look at the work answers. But go ahead and pause me, and then when you are ready to unpause me, we're going to do this back side. We are not going to do very much together on the back here because it is your time to shine and to show me what you know. So when you're ready, unpause me. All right, welcome back. So these ones are the same kind of ideas. We're adding 3, but there are no dots. Okay, so maybe you want to clap, maybe you want to snap, maybe you want to draw the dots out, okay? So 9 plus 3, let's try clapping it first. Okay, so we're going to clap 3 times. So 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so see how we did that? 9, put the big number first. 9, 10, 11, 12. I tapped 3 times. So we landed on 12. 9 plus 3 equals 12. Good job. Now the next one says 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3. Maybe on this one, maybe you want to draw the dots. 3 plus 1, 2, 3. Maybe you want to draw 3 dots on top of there so you can count them. So maybe you do want to do 3, 4, 5, 6. You could count the dots. So if there's a number 3, you could draw 3 dots. Sure. 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6. You might just know them, and that's okay too. If you know them and are ready to go, you can just do them if you want. So I am going to have you finish the rest of the page on your own. Remember, always start at the big number and count on. You're going to add 2 parts together makes a whole. I like what those little turtles say at the bottom, because they are 2 parts. You have 3 is one part, 3 is another part, and when you put them together, you get a whole number, which is 6, right? This is a part, this is a part. They're little parts separate, but then when you bring them together, they make a whole answer. So go ahead and finish this side on your own. And that is what we have for practicing 3s today. We are going to keep working on these facts and working, you know, the more that we work on them, the faster you get at them. And that's why we've been working with these cool pages so much, because you're getting really fast at your math facts. And we can see it, so that's why we're practicing them. So if you have any questions, please let me know. But thank you for doing math with me today, and thank you for sitting in a new spot, and for not minding my basket making polka dots on everything today. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you guys soon for some more math and some more learning.